Today, your goal for math is I subtract with regrouping. So regrouping is when our bottom number is larger than the top in certain spots. And so we need to borrow from the next one over. So a good example of this would be something like 243 minus 87. So when we subtract, we always start at the right. So you would go 3 minus 7. If I have 3 things, I cannot take away 7 things. So I had to cross out my 4 and make that into a 3. And then add 10 here. So 13 minus 7 now. And 13 minus 7 I know is 6. And then I have 3 minus 8. Ooh, again, 3. If I have 3 things, can I take away 8? I cannot. So I must regroup. I turn my 2 into my 1, and my 3 turns into a 13. And then I do 13 minus 8, which is 5, and 1 minus nothing, which is 1. So I get 156. So we regroup when our number directly below the top one has a larger value than the top number. If your top number is smaller than your bottom one, you can't take away. So without regrouping. So here's another example. If I have something like 100 minus 22. Now, I know I can take 22 away from 100 because 22 is less than 100. However, the problem is I have 0 minus 2. I can't do that. I need to go to my 1 and cross it out and regroup. So I take away 1 there and that turns into a 0. This one turns into a 10, but I'm not quite to the 1 I need to be at. So I need to regroup that again and then add 10 to my last one. Now I can do my problem. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So I have the answer of 78. We'll do one last one. You might have a problem where you only have to regroup a couple times. And that's perfectly fine. And sometimes you'll have ones where you don't need to regroup at all. So again, we start at the right, 4 minus 5. I can't do that yet. I need to regroup. So I go to my 8 and I cross it out. I take 1 away and that turns into 7. And my 4, I add 10 to and it turns into 14. Now I have 14 minus 5. Well, that's 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. 3 minus 4. Ooh, can't do that again. Must regroup. Take away 1 from that number and then add 10 here. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 1 minus something is 1. So you get 1,909. So the big thing to remember is check to make sure you need to regroup. If you do, please do so. If not, then just do your subtraction as normal. Good luck.